guys, welcome back to All About Superbikes channel, and for today's review we have here with us a Ducati 899 Panigale. So Ducati, actually they have the Panigale series. So this bike is their super mid version. So they actually have a 1199, 1299, and 959. So for today we have the 899 Panigale. So a little trivia about Panigale, it's actually a city in Italy. Most specifically, it's in Borgo Panigale, Italy. So it is where the Ducati manufacturing headquarters is located. So they pay tribute to this city and develop this series of motorbikes. If you'd ask me what's my favorite bike, of course I would say it's the Kawasaki ZX-10R, but just to share with you that whenever I see a Ducati bike on the road or whenever I see them passing by, I always feel like, wow, it's so sexy. And I think it must be something about the color, the sleek body, and all that stuff that makes it sexy on the eyes of the others. Okay, let's move to the seat height of this bike. So the seat height is at 830 millimeter, and for the wheelbase is at 1426 millimeter. But let's take a look over here. This part of the bike, we can actually adjust the chain tension over here. So your wheelbase might be affected like plus minus 10 millimeter depending on how much you adjust the chain tension. And for the full tank capacity is at 17 liters, so it can hold a volume of 17 liter of fuel, though it may look small. This is a mid-range bike, so it uses a slightly smaller tire compared to the other 1000cc bikes that we have previously reviewed. And for this, it uses 180, 60, and 17. And it's still a Pirelli Supercossa. And over here is the ABS and traction control. The Ducati 899 Panigale is using a Bosch Brembo braking system with 3-level ABS. Moving on to the unique feature of this 899 is the exhaust. So over here, it uses Termignoni. Let's talk more about this part of our Ducati 899. The racing exhaust is actually called Termignoni slip-on exhaust system. This is titanium with stainless steel header and plus removable DB killers. So from what we can see, this exhaust, the DB killers and silencers has already been removed. This exhaust is unique for me because the other bikes has their exhaust usually located either on the side of the bike or sometimes under the tail. But for this one, the exhaust is located underneath the bike. So it makes the bike more eye-catching and make it stand out from the rest. Engine is a Super Quadro. It's a twin-cylinder design and technology, giving the bike a super smooth power delivery. And the gearbox is actually the same as the one with 1199. So Ducati developed this monocoque technology, making the body of the bike and everything lightweight and compact. Over here is the temper, which is located in front of the triple cam. By the way, this temper is non-electrical. And the 899 is using a hydraulic clutch. So like when I press it now, I can actually feel that it's hard to press. Moving on to this bike suspension, this is equipped with Showa Big Piston Fork BPF. It's 43 millimeter and it's fully adjustable. So let's take a look here below. You can actually adjust the spring preload, compression, and rebound damping over here. And for the rear suspension, this bike is equipped with Sachs suspension unit. So this is another unique part of the 899 because this is side mounted, as you can see. This is the part where you can actually adjust the suspension, and we said that this is a unique part because most of the bike have their rear suspension below the bike. But for this one, this is side mounted and very accessible whenever you need to adjust it. Here I'm gonna show you the Panigale technology that includes ABS engine brake control, and the Ducati traction control. On top of that, you also can choose race riding mode for track use, sport riding mode for daily use, and wet riding mode for rainy season. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!